Hey my YouTube family, I am back with another cool video. So today we are discussed about Omegle.
Yeah, boy.
And how we use Omegle. But before we started, make sure subscribe the channel and give a 1 like to video. This has inspired me to create more.
Okay.
So let's get started. Do you fancy talking to strangers? Do you like to socialize with people who are completely unknown to you? Then Omegle is for you guys. Because Omegle is an online chat platform that connects a user with random strangers from all around the world. It has 2 chatting options. First, video chat, that's mean you can connect through video, and another is text chat options.
Wait a minute!
So how we use Omegle? Chatting on Omegle is very easy because we have to visit Omegle's website. Just go to your desktop or phone browser. Type interest in which we want to chat and then press the Start a Chat button. Omegle automatically finds strangers based on interest.
Oh my god! Wow!
But before using Omegle chat, you are over 18 to use them. If you are under 18, only access the site with parental permission guidance. So that's it. I hope you guys like the video. This is my motivation to create more helpful videos for you guys. So, stay safe and stay healthy.